How to join friends in Among Us mobile. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Among Us on your mobile. You'll find this kind of screen. In here, click on Play. Then click on Online. After you've clicked on Online, click on Create Game at the top. Now you can edit as you want. After you're done, press on Create Game at the bottom. Then click on Confirm. Your game will be created, and on the right side you'll find code. Simply copy the code and send it to the people you want to play with. But if you have got code like that and you want to join the game, what you can do is click on Play and click on Online again. After you have clicked on Online, here you'll find Enter Code. Click on Enter Code. Now, simply enter the code and press on Join Game at the bottom and you will be joined in that game. This is how to join friends in Among Us mobile. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.